guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching me from. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can use turmeric, that you can add turmeric to everything that you do. 3 ways to use turmeric. That is what we are going to be doing today. If you have not know what turmeric is, turmeric have a lot of benefits for bone, joint, for weakness. Even as a man, when you are weak, it is very good for you. Turmeric can make you to look glow. Turmeric remove a lot of, when you have a lot of pimples all over your face, I'm going to be showing you the way you will use turmeric. And turmeric can make you to look younger. Turmeric make you to look so beautiful. Turmeric have a lot of benefit. Turmeric, when you have cancer, turmeric can slower it. When you have diabetes, turmeric can slower diabetes. So it's very good for you. It have a lot of benefits that I cannot name, but I want you to start using turmeric. If you've not been using turmeric before, start using it. I told you anything I bring to this channel is good one that can help us out there. Start taking care of your health naturally. So guys, this is turmeric. When you break it, it will be like this. So turmeric is very good for your system when you have low blood pressure, when you have blood pressure, when you have bone joint pain. This is the powder one. So the first way that you use turmeric, that is what we are going to be doing. So we take the turmeric. I'm going to be using 2. Let me be using 3 because it's for 2 of us, me and my husband. When you are doing anything, take your wife and your husband along with you. Let me wash this. So after washing it, you slice it. When you always have flu, you always have cold, always take turmeric tea too. Turmeric is very good. As a man, when you have weakness, take turmeric. Even turmeric have a lot of benefits. It will make your bone to be strong. It will make you not to be weak all the time. When you have cancer, turmeric can lower it. When you have diabetes, turmeric can lower it. Believe me guys, it's very good for you. Turmeric is very good for you. I'm going to bring those things that will help you. As a Christian, you know, we have to be taking care of our health, not taking soda all the time. You see, when I slice it now, I add water to it. So I add it to the gas, you see. So because I am not having ginger, the fresh one, I take the ginger, the powder one. You see, I just add a teaspoon to it. So I'm going to be leaving it to boil. When you are taking all these natural things, I'm telling you guys, you are going to love it. We are going to leave it to boil for 5 minutes. Let me tell you one thing. Everything that I'm bringing to this channel, guys, is good. Turmeric is very good for your health. A lot of benefit that turmeric has that I cannot even measure. A lot of it. Start drinking turmeric. Stop taking a lot of soda and start taking care of your health. Natural things are there that is not costly, that you can use to take care of your health. Turmeric is one of them. When you are taking turmeric, even you will not look you will look so young. It's true. You'll be looking younger. You will have a lot of energy, a lot of strength. Even you as a man, you will have a lot of strength. I'm telling you, and it's true. So guys, you see the way it's boiling. So you take your tea cup, you off it, it's okay. You just sip. You see? This is number one way you take turmeric. If you say no, the tea way is too boring, it will take a lot of time to boil, I'm going to work, there is no time for me to do that, you just take your cup and take your milk. If you don't want to use milk, you use water, but I prefer milk for beauty tips. You take your milk, instead of you drinking all the time the chocolate tea, turmeric tea is very good. So it will take it to the microwave, you add it to the microwave. So it's okay this way. We bring it out. It's so hot now. So you will take, after bringing it out, you will take the turmeric powder, you just take your teaspoon and add it to it. It will boost you up in the morning, even in the night before you go to sleep. Even turmeric can make you to lose weight. It will take away those cholesterol in your system. Those cholesterol, it will take it away. It will wash your system. It will detoxify your system. When you're having a lot of cold, when you're having a lot of wrinkle, when you are taking this, you will see it will limit it. So you see, this is the second way of taking turmeric. If you don't want to, you can skip this milk. If you don't want to use the milk, you use water. So if you like honey, you add a little bit of honey to it. You just drop a little bit of honey to it. Don't put sugar. A little bit of honey, or you can skip honey. So this is the second way. So you can see the two, so beautiful. So another way that you can use turmeric is your face mask to remove those pimples, those with roughness in your face. You take 1 teaspoon. It will remove the pimples, the black spots. It will remove a lot of things. You add aloe vera to it. If you don't want to use aloe vera, you can skip it and use water or milk. You stir together. It's very good. It will make your skin to look glow. Don't use it every day because turmeric can make your face to be bleached. It can make your face to be whitened when you use it every day. Like if you want to use it for lighting skin, you add lemon to it. For me, I don't want to use it for whitening skin. I just want to use it to clean those roughness and those things that is not making your face to look glow. Shake it like this. So the next, you add a little bit almond milk. When your body, you see some people, their body is black, their body is white, their face is so dark, but they don't know why. When you are using turmeric mask, you will see it will make them be uniform. It will remove those dullness from your face. Use it 3 times a week. If you use it every day, it might bleach you. Don't use it every day. So you rub it all over your face. So you see the mask. So we're going to take it. You can use anything to rub it, but me, I prefer to wash my hand to use my hand. You take it and rub it all over your face. Rub it on your lips, because some people lips is very dark. You see some people lips darker than their body. Is not nice. Even men, you can use it also. Men can use it also, but don't use it for your daughter. But if your daughter is from 15 years, she have pimples, she has a lot of black spots all over her face, avoid your eye area, okay? Sometimes I do to my neck when I'm not going anywhere. I just do it to my neck. You will see your face glowing, looking beautiful, younger. You see a lot of wrinkle there, a lot of spots. You will be cleaning them away. It's not gradually, but you will see it going. You will see it going. I'm telling you guys. It won't go once, but you will see it going gradually. Correction. So this is it, guys. You can leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, depends. If you see that your pimples is too strong, you have a big pimples all over your face, you can use it with lime. You can use it with lime. It will clear away all those things. What did that look like this? Yes, taking care of your health is very important. So we're going to wait for 15 minutes before we wash it up. So as we are waiting, I will be enjoying the milk tea. Yeah, another way that you can use it, if you don't want to use lime, that it will work for you very perfectly, you will take the the turmeric and add it to with the white yolk egg. You mix it together, you rub it, it will stream all those pimples, it will make them to stream, it will stream them away. After some 30 minutes, you wash it. It's not going to go for one day, but you know everything you are doing, be consistent. Don't say I used it one, it didn't work for me, I'm going to stop, guys. No, turmeric is a testimony to everyone. A lot of people use turmeric. Turmeric is very good for your health. It's very good for your health, guys. You can consult your doctor concerning it. It's very good for your health. You see, I'm almost done with the meal. So good for your health. So guys, I'm going to be washing it up. Now, I'm going to be washing it. I'm not showing you my soap. If you want to know my soap and my cream, write it down below. Yes. So that is it, guys. So try it if it's, I know it's going to be a great benefit to you. This is one of it that is very good, but I have a lot of it. Guys, let's start using natural things and let's stop soda and harsh things, and you will see it will be very good for you. It will be beneficial to you. Okay, guys, take care of yourself. I love you. Bye. Take care. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Bye. Share. Remember, it's not over until God says so. Subscribe, like. Bye.